Hello guys, this is Mr. Swanda and we are back again. Today we have an equation on equations involving indices and logarithms. So it says here, so for x, so let's find x guys. So first thing first, as I said earlier, you always have to simplify things. Always simplify. Look for ways to simplify, then go after it. So this is our equation here. So first thing first, let's simplify things. We'll say 4 here, then open bracket here, 3 to the power of 2x. It says plus 1 here. Okay, so because it says plus 1, we remember in laws of indices, when it says plus 1 here, it means it's also same as times 3 to the power 1, close bracket, plus 17 and 3x, close bracket, minus 7 is equals to 0. Then come back here again. Then 3x, close bracket here, squared here, times 3 to the power of 1, plus 17 times 3 to the power of x, minus 7 is equals to 0. So from here guys, you can see we have simplified things. Things are a little bit easier now. So we need to find x here. So from the looks of things here, how do you think we can find x? Let's substitute. Then so we say let a is equals to 3 to the power of x. Let a is equals to 3 to the power of x. Then things are now easier from here. So 4 here, open brackets, here 3 to the power of x has been substituted. It's now a squared here times 3 plus 17a minus 7 is equals to 0. Then 4 times 3, that's 12a squared plus 17a minus 7 is equals to 0. So from the look of things here guys, we can all see this is now a quadratic equation. So how do we solve quadratic equations? We use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula which says minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So from here, minus b, where is our b? This is our b, this is our a, this is our c. So minus b, which is 17, minus 17 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 17 squared, minus 4. Our a is 12 and our c is minus 7 all over 2 by 12 So from here, minus 17 plus or minus square root of 17 times 17, it's 289 minus 4 times 12 times minus 7, which is plus 336, all over 2 times 12, 24, which is minus 17 plus or minus square root of 289 plus 336 is equals to 625, all over 24. Then minus 17 plus or minus square root of 625, that's 25, all over 24. So from here, minus 17 plus or minus 25, we separate them. Minus 17 plus 25 all over 24, or minus 17 minus 25 all over 24. Then we continue from here. So minus 17 minus 25 over 24, or minus 17 plus 25 all over 24. So here, minus 17 minus 25, minus 17 minus 25, that's minus 17 minus 25 with calculator. Minus 17 minus 25, that's minus 42, minus 42 all over 24, or minus 17 plus 25, which is 8 all over 24. So minus 42 over 24, that's 1.75, or 0.3333. So this means our A is equals to 1.75 or 0.333. But however, what we want is an A. We want A, so here, don't forget, it's a negative here. It's a negative. So remember, we said here A is equals to 3 to the power of x. So A is equals to 3 to the power of x. So we want x here. So we log everything and say ln A is equals to ln 3 to the power of x. Then x comes down and says ln A is equals to x ln of 3, and x is equals to ln A over ln 3, which is now, what is our first A? That's ln minus 1.75 divided by ln 3, which is, we punch on the calculator and it's an error. So which means minus 1.7 has been knocked out, and then we come back to 0.33, which is x is equals to ln 0.333 or over ln 3, which is ln 3 divided by ln 0.333 divided by ln 3 is equals to minus 1, which is our x, which means our x is equals to minus 1. Then as you can see, guys, to prove this, you can prove this to make sure your answer is correct. So how do we prove this? We use our calculator, and then you punch 4 open brackets 3 to the power of 2 times minus 1 plus 1 close bracket plus 17 open bracket 3 to the power of negative 1 close bracket minus 7, which will give us a 0, which means our answer is correct. That's a 0. So which means minus 1 is correct. You can go through this, guys. Make sure you don't leave a stage here, because those 6 marks don't just come. You have to make sure each stage is done correctly. So this is how you solve equations involving logarithms and indices, guys. So thank you. Mr. Sanders out. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. It will help a lot. Thank you.